Just remember one thing, you are the best therapist of yourself. None can understand your feelings more than you, not even your parents. So, you know why you are depressed. So just think that if the things are beyond of your control, go and fix it. And if the things is not in your hand, just let it be. सब कुछ फिक्स करना क्यों ज़रूरत है लाइफ में? कुछ ऐसे ही छोड़ दो, खुश रहो, हंसते खेलते रहो, ओके? डिप्रेशन अपने आप ही चला जाएगा. कुछ कुछ चीज़ें होते हैं जो हम चाहकर भी अपने पास नहीं रख सकते, राइट? सो इट्स ओके, डोंट वरी, जस्ट टेक अ चिल पिल. At first, you have to consider depression as a very common matter. We all have faced depression. You are not the only one who are facing depression, okay? You go outside, see everyone going through at the same situation, okay? When I called my friend and told about my depression situation, they told me that they also had gone through in the situation. So don't take it very seriously, okay? And yeah, there are many people who are saying that, who says that you should consider therapist, you should consider doctor. But in my opinion, you are the best therapist of yourself. When I was in depression, I didn't have enough money to go and hire a therapist, and I become my best therapist. How? In this video I am going to share this to you guys. I am not a counselor, a therapist, or a psychiatrist, but I think that I should make a video on it because depression become one of the most common problem, not only India but to the entire world. And whatever I experienced, I would like to share with you guys. So what is really happened to me, suddenly my mood swings happen. I gain a lot of weight. I became irritated to every person, every people. Okay, I cut down my hobbies. I didn't like anything. If someone told me nice words, I became angry. So I think you guys relatable to my words because it's happen when you are in depression. But what I really did when I was in depression is I sit and think that what are my problems, why I am depressed, and I found out that I have one core problem, and because of that problem I think so many things that is not necessary. Whatever the reasons of your depression, you have to follow the simple tips. It helped me, so I hope guys it helped you, okay? Number 1, sit and think the main source of your depression. Don't think all the mistakes that you have done in your past, just think your main source of your depression, okay? Number 2, sit with nature. I mean, just observe the nature, observe the open sky, observe the winds, observe the birds. More you spend time with nature, you feel refreshed, you feel very positive. Number 3, start helping others. Why I am telling you guys, because when we are in depression, we always face negative vibes, right? So when you help others, people give you a positive vibe, so it help you to overcome from this depression. And the main point is, just talk to yourself, just talk how you get over from depression. Please don't ask sympathy from every person, crying all the time, sit in a corner of your room and think that why me, why this happened to me. No, you are a warrior, okay? So it happened to all of us. Even the person who have fame, who have money, they also gone through from depression. So it's very common thing, like a fever. We have fever, right? We faced fever, so it's like a fever or like any another disease. So if we overcome that type of disease or fever, so we also overcome this situation. So just be always positive, just always be positive, and डोंट बी अपसेट. क्या क्या रखा है डिप्रेशन में, सबको